Why do 99% of people close their eyes when they sneeze? Let's debunk a myth. So, there's this wild myth that if you sneeze with your eyes open they might pop out. Spoiler alert, that's not true. Your eyes are securely attached with muscles and tissues. When you sneeze, it's an involuntary reflex to close your eyes. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, no dust in here. Plus, sneezing creates a lot of pressure but not nearly enough to make your eyes go kaboom. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, relax, your eyes are staying put. It's just your body doing its thing. Myth busted. Follow for more fun facts.